Pandemic COVID-19 brought us on platform of learning, and we are discussing Ganga Brahmaputra Basin. Life in subtropical region marks the region with fertile plains, result of deposition of sediments brought down by river Ganga and Brahmaputra and their tributaries in years. And it is bounded by Himalayas in the north, Peninsula Plateau in the south, merges with Indus Plain in the west, and stretches up to the Brahmaputra Valley in the east. Ganga originates from Gangotri Glacier Basin. Tibet, Nepal, India, Bangladesh connectivity. Completely one of the river which marks largest and longest river in the world. Flows from China, India and Bangladesh. Marks with the name of Brahmaputra identity in India. Another river, Ganga, symbol of faith, hope, culture, and source of livelihood. Ganga, integration of culture. Ganga Brahmaputra Basin, development of Indian civilization. एक ऐसी जगह जहाँ पर नागरिक उसके रहने का ढंग, उसकी जीवन यापन करने के आय के स्रोत सब कुछ अवेलेबल है. How does it get not affected with the COVID-19? Lockdown have given a brilliant gift to Ganga as Swachh Bharat Abhiyan deserted in lockdown phases of Ganga's bank marks the river quality water high because the factory discharge of toxic industrial waste into river reduces. So have a look on the river Ganga. Namami Gange. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, a mission wants to clean Ganga, which marks the presence of immense agriculture on its bank with the abundant supply of water, means of irrigation. Another phase says transportation, and this marks the banks of river Ganga with abundance of livelihood, new employment opportunities. When it's income, when it's transportation, so obvious life in the Ganga Brahmaputra Basin marks its identity. Tributaries of river Ganga and Brahmaputra together forms Ganga Brahmaputra Basin in Indian subcontinent. भारत की गंगा ब्रह्मपुत्र नदी का संगम आपस में एक दूसरे से होने के बाद विद नंबर ऑफ ट्रिब्यूटरीज एक सब ट्रॉपिकल रीजन को इन्वेंट करता है, को सिचुएट करता है 10 डिग्री नॉर्थ टू 30 डिग्री नॉर्थ लैटिट्यूड. नंबर ऑफ ट्रिब्यूटरीज फाउंड टू फॉर्म गंगा ब्रह्मपुत्र बेसिन. गंगा have tributaries like Ghagra, Chambal, Ghantak, Kosi, and these are the views where you will see Ganga Basin, its area, its location of draining from north the Himalayas to complex system of Bay of Bengal. It is densely populated area, marks the population very great, and with its great opportunity generated due to the presence of agriculture, tourism and industrial sector. All three sectors of economy, आपकी खेती, आपकी इंडस्ट्री, आपका पर्यटन यानी आपका tourism, all depend on river Ganga. And this marks you with the help of the picture, and even you have an aerial view of river Ganga. Hereby now sharing the aerial view of Brahmaputra Basin. After having the aerial view of Brahmaputra Basin in previous segment, now we will going to discuss location and climate. The plains of Ganga and Brahmaputra marks its presence from the mountains and the foothills of Himalayas to the complex system of Bay of Bengal drainage, where they marks the fed by water of numerous of rivers including Ganga and Brahmaputra and forms one delta and renownedly known as Sundarban Delta, is the main feature of this basin. Oxbow Lake dot the plain area. The dominated climate is monsoon. Monsoon brings rain and that marks the presence of water. Ganga Brahmaputra Basin is in front of you, where it provides you all the tributaries of Ganga River and Brahmaputra rivers, which forms the presence of Ganga Brahmaputra Basin in Indian subcontinent between the 10° north to 30° north latitude. Number of tributaries delivers transportation inland, marks the irrigation on the banks of river, agriculture can be performed. Then service sector is blessed with the tourism, as Ganga is symbol of faith, hope, culture, and integration of culture brings the development of India's civilization. हिमालय की गोद से निकलकर बंगाल की खाड़ी तक जाने तक गंगा ब्रह्मपुत्र बेसिन लाइवलीहुड ट्रांसपोर्टेशन सबको सपोर्ट करती है. गंगा ब्रह्मपुत्र बेसिन marks the hot summers and monsoon dominated climate. Mid of June to mid of September, the area witnessed rainfall monsoon season, which marks the abundant presence of water. And Ganga Brahmaputra Basin forms one delta while discharging to the Bay of Bengal, with number of tributaries water included in Ganga and Brahmaputra river. This marks as ample of fertile plains known as world's delta, Sundarban Delta. Here I shared the picture of climatic support and Ganga Basin support to livelihood, tourism, a place of worship, to agriculture, inland transportation to supply of irrigation. Ganga Brahmaputra Basin enhances human being. Ganga Brahmaputra Basin is the spiral cord of this country. Marks the soil type sand, loam, clay with abundance of water, makes the land cultivation friendly, suitable with the help of irrigation, and marks its presence with industrial development, which discharge their waste in river Ganga. Indian subcontinent is blessed with river Ganga Brahmaputra Basin with the opportunities of tourism due to being cultivable land, warehousing also required for storage. So Indian subcontinent have Ganga Brahmaputra Basin as spine of earnings. So thank you for visiting.